Today we have Canon G3010 printer, and this printer problem is this printer is not printed good quality print, and you can see here, and ink tank is full. This color ink tank also full, and here is some problem. All this ink pipe are blank. Okay, here is no ink. After using the long period and some dust block the cartridge area. Okay, we need to be clean this. Today I will show how to clean the cartridge and how to bring the ink in this cartridge area. Okay, just first of all I want to clean this cartridge. Okay, you can see the position, the head position, and this position is the perfect. And press the lock and pull up, and you just open the cartridge, and at least twice in a month clear this cartridge using the long period. And this cartridge path going to the block, and I want to open this also, and you just press this here. Okay, and when it will be clean, and you can see the all color blue, red and yellow. This is the okay, and keep this here. Rather you also clean this. Okay, black, this one is black, and this one also clean. Okay, press and hold it and press this, and here is a two lock. Okay, this is okay. Now we have some programmable work, and I'll show how to bring the ink to the cartridge. Okay, use a lever for turn on the switch here, turn on the printer is turning on. You can see here is a showing 1, and this one is the setting button. Press the setting button. See, you are enter the setting mode, and after that press this button, plus button, for 10 times. Okay, until it's showing here 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and after that you press the start color button. Okay, left it is processing in started, and this color is working one by one. Okay, you can see ink is moving to the head. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you need to be wait for that. When the printer will be ready, it will be show on the display. Okay, printer is okay. Okay, now I will give it a spin. Okay, and press the start button. Let's see, printer is printing. Okay, our printer is completely okay. You can see this is the quality of color. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.